Torrential slide value equivalent to $9.8470 a coin. The present reach, $9.8020, $9.9590. The earlier day close, $9.9310. The change was 0.0840. 0.85%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at $9.98. Most extreme cost $10.57. Least cost $7.40. The normal for the month $8.98. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $7.96. Change for September 20.2%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. To start with cost at $7.96. Greatest cost $8.49. Least cost $6.22. The normal for the month $7.34. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.69. Change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place cost at $6.69. Greatest cost $6.69. Least cost $5.23. The normal for the month $6.06. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $5.62. Change for November 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with cost at $5.62. Greatest cost $5.92. Least cost $5.14. The normal for the month $5.55. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.53. Change for December 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $5.53. Most extreme cost $5.53. Least cost $4.74. The normal for the month $5.23. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.10. Change for January 7.8%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $5.10. Greatest cost $5.10. Least cost $3.98. The normal for the month $4.62. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.28. Change for February 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $4.28. Greatest cost $4.42. Least cost $3.84. The normal for the month $4.17. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.13. Change for spring 3.5%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset cost at $4.13. Most extreme cost $4.59. Least cost $3.99. The normal for the month $4.25. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.29. Change for April 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at $4.29. Most extreme cost $4.29. Least cost $3.46. The normal for the month $3.94. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $3.72. Change for May 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $3.72. Most extreme cost $4.62. Least cost $3.72. The normal for the month $4.10. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.32. Change for June 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $4.32. Greatest cost $4.32. Least cost $3.38. The normal for the month $3.91. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.63. Change for July 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset cost at $3.63. Most extreme cost $3.63. Least cost $2.84. The normal for the month $3.29. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $3.05. Change for August 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $3.05. Most extreme cost $3.66. Least cost $3.05. The normal for the month $3.30. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.42. Change for September 12.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2025. In the first place cost at $1.90. Greatest cost $2.35. Least cost $1.90. The normal for the month $2.09. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.20. Change for October 15.8%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $2.20. Most extreme cost $2.73. Least cost $2.20. The normal for the month $2.42. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.55. Change for November 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. To start with cost at $2.55. Most extreme cost $3.09. Least cost $2.55. The normal for the month $2.77. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.89. Change for December 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.89. Greatest cost $2.89. Least cost $2.26. The normal for the month $2.62. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.43. Change for January 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $2.43. Most extreme cost $2.43. Least cost $1.90. The normal for the month $2.20. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $2.04. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2026. In the first place cost at $2.04. Greatest cost $2.54. Least cost $2.04. The normal for the month $2.25. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.37. Change for spring 16.2%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.37. Greatest cost $2.94. Least cost $2.37. The normal for the month $2.61. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $2.75. Change for April 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 20.